Well, it's sold. Hello today with BK with ladies and gentlemen. Twisted a little bit today because twisted on selling this. And so just letting y'all know it's sold to a really great person. Not going to talk about the affiliation, how we know each other, but a trustworthy person. So, man, I'm going to miss it. Sounds so good. Just a great ride. I mean, it's going to go to a person that has younger kids and they can enjoy it just like mine did when we had a different one in this style. But man, this is just a beautiful car. You don't see these on the road. I'm not trying to be it's locked right now, but I'm not trying to be a Corvette person, but it's like one of 70 or something, one of 54. I forget what it is. It's something about the neutral top with the SS 6-speed. I think it's like one of 54. So good luck to the owner. Have fun with it. And this is just a quick one. I hope everybody's having a good day. And just look forward to other things on my channel. Thank you for subscribing and liking and just being there for me. Trying to grow the channel, at least get me to 500. And maybe we can get this thing going. I'll do a few more things. But hope everyone has a great day. Today with BK out.